Welcome to a visual guide of our application Hera. Hera is a running app with a twist. It is especially designed to use in a school environment but has a potential to be used any way you like. In this guide, we will show you how to make a session, how to join a session, and how to see your progress. First off, how to make a session. This is our teacher. He will make a session by entering a name. When he presses the make button, it will redirect him to his session page. In this session page, he has two options. He can cancel the session or can press the show QR code button. This will show a code especially made for that session. The student needs to scan this code to enter his session. When the students have scanned the code, the teacher can see their names in a list. When everybody has joined, the teacher presses start and the session begins. When the students are running, the teacher can see a timer and the location of every student. The student can have two statuses. He can be active and running. Or his status is stopped. This means that he has stopped his own session. The teacher can always press the student's name to see more information. When the teacher stops the session, he simply presses the stop button and the session will stop for every runner. How to join a session. This is our student. He can simply join the teacher's session by pressing the join button. This student has two options. He can scan the code with his camera or he can enter the code manually. When he has scanned the code, he will see a waiting page. If the teacher starts the session, he will be redirected to another page. The student has still the ability on the waiting page to cancel his participants in this session. When the session starts, the student will see a page with information about himself, the time of the session, his distance and his average speed. The student has two options to stop his session. The first option is when the teacher stops the global session. It will automatically stop for him too. Option 2 is when the student gets injured and he wants to stop his own session, then he simply presses the stop button. How to see your progress. The student and the teacher can see their progress by pressing the progress button. They can both choose to view their own activities or their group activities. When the student wants to see his progression of a session, he can see this by tapping the My Activities button. When he finds the run he wants to know more about, he can simply press it and it will show him more information. The teacher can press the Group Activities button to see all his sessions he has made. When he wants to see more details about a certain session, he can press it and it will give him a list of all the students that joined that session. He also has the ability to download the data from that session to a CSV file for later use. He can also press a student's name to find more information about that student. Thank you for using our app and give us a call if you have any problems to get it up and running.